What's up, what's up, what's up, guys? How are you today? What's up, guys? Time to start our coding session of the day. Not gonna lie, I don't want to be here. It's so fucking hot. I have the vent turned on in my back. But that's still. We are here like every single fucking day. We are trying to get the shit working. How's my people today? Who is here with me? We do not know. We will not know. What the fuck? Why? Good day! That's not a way to say hi, bro. Good day is not what you should use to say buen dia. It's like, yeah, it's not common. You will never hear an American person saying that. But hi, my bro, how are you? Are you ready to cook or what? Oh my god, look at this fucking shit, bro. It's becoming big. Oh shit. This light is nice. Need to go to the gym, bro. I've been lacking discipline on the gym. I need to go. What are you doing, my friend? Did you fix anything? Did you find more bugs or what? What a papacito. Thank you. Thank you, my bro. Why the fuck I don't see the chat in Streamlabs? That is very weird. Or in Twitch, it's just broken. Yeah, it's just broken. I'm finishing some stuff at work and paying attention to Diego's interview. Oh, he's in the interview now? Oh shit. He's in person, right? The interview was on site, if I'm not wrong. My Android partners are delivering if he take the job. Are delivering? I don't understand that. The good thing is that you are actually trying your English and you are not translating and copy pasting because your English is so fucking bad, man. And I can notice. Okay, let's work. I've not yet fixed the payments, but I managed to fix the Stripe thing. Now the problem is the merchant. I'm trying to onboard a new merchant and it's failing, so yeah, I'm checking that. I don't know why it's not working, but I will figure it out. Hi guys, how are you? Thanks so much for being here. Welcome to my stream. Today we'll be focusing on finishing the payments. Needs to be done as soon as possible. I'm still struggling with that. I had to do a fix on the front end side. It was not working, so I made a new deployment and should be good now, but I still cannot make a purchase, so we'll be focusing on that today. But first I am fixing the merchant flow because it was broken. Let's work on that. Fuck, how can you say discutiendo, decidiendo? Oh, like arguing, deciding. I mean, if they are talking about Diego or they are discussing, that's the right word, discussing. If they are discussing the future of Diego, you should be intervening, bro. Like, hey, I know the guy, or I've seen his work before and he's very, very committed, so try to help, bro. You say like he's a warrior and he'll be putting all his effort into the job. Try to help, motherfucker. Okay, let's see if this works. Connect your Stripe account. Link an existing account. Invalid request. Ensure this URL exact match one of the URLs specified in your application settings. Seems like we have an issue on the connected accounts. Connected accounts, settings, connect, onboarding, interface, no. There must be some developer options, platform setup. I always commit that kind of errors, always adding false cognates because yes. What the fuck is cognate? Payouts, payment methods. this didn't work. Holy shit. Organization success. Ensure the URI matches one of the URIs specified in your application settings. It matches. What's the problem now? Yeah, it should work. Probably this is the problem. Yuri, TopCars IO success. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, it worked. What the fuck? But this is production. Ah, that's why it's not working, because we are using production settings, I guess. Okay, let me take a look at this. Front end URL. Stripe secret key, client ID. Yeah, I think this is the problem. Client ID. Okay, that's the problem. So let's use the client ID, the right one. Oh man, this looks so fucking small. Fix it. Okay, let's close this one. This is my. Okay, this is the one that is building the payment sheets, and this is the one connecting to the backend. Client ID, client ID, client ID, client ID. Stripe, client ID, okay. Yep, it's different. Oh shit. I need to make this work, man. Okay, backend is already up. Let's fix this. Connect Stripe account, link existing account. Standard out is disabled for this Stripe Connect integration. If you own this integration, you can enable the standard outflow in the Connect settings in your dashboard. But it's supposed to be enabled, what the fuck? Reproduction. Connected accounts, settings, connect, onboarding, out. Oh yeah, I turned it off. Fuck me. Nice, it's working. Nice. Okay, so it's working now. Let's refresh this. Nice. If you are using this form, skip this form. Then I return back and error occurred. Okay, that's expected because I didn't put an email account. So let's fix that. So let's connect Stripe, link an existing account. Then Daniel dot sandbox at TopCars.io. Oh, the problem will be the password. I don't remember the password. Stripe. What the fuck? Why is not pasting? Ah, come on, man. Okay, this is very sensitive information, so I will change the scene so I can type the password. Incorrect email or password. Ah, come on, man. It's not working. Daniel Los Santos. Yeah, the email is correct. Incorrect email or password. Okay, let's reset the password and that's it. Copy link address. Fuck me. Okay. Okay, return to sign in. Now it's linked, but it didn't link with TopCars for some reason. Okay, connect. Returning to Sandbox. Connecting to Stripe. Oh, successfully connected. Let's go. Your account is ready. You can now set prices for your artwork. But this is not refreshing, and it should be refreshing. So there is an issue there, or it literally didn't connect. So let's try again. Okay, there is an issue here because I should be already be connected. So the merchant should be available in the core console. Merchant. Yeah, here it is. Daniel, Stripe account ID ready to use. Is here, but is not linked here. So there are two possible options: that this screen is not querying the information, yeah, something is happening here. Okay, let's fetch the merchant. Retrieve and exchange and sync merchant ID. Merchant ID. Yep, it's working. For some reason, the settings screen, creator settings, is not fetching the merchant, or this shit is not doing anything. Organization settings. Okay, I think the issue is that it needs to refetch the merchant. But when I relaunch the app, this should be not null. So there is something happening when I relaunch the app. this shouldn't be nil. Let's see what's happening. Creator Daniel, merchant nil. The merchant is not being updated for some reason. So let's try logging out and logging in to force a refresh. Of the users, because there must be something missing here. Give me a second, guys. Hello, hello. Yes, hello. Not, I will not proceed to comment. Thanks much. We are back. Okay, so this thing is not cooperating. Okay, let's refetch the user. Yeah, the merchant is not there. The question is why. Authentication, users, me, creator. Here is the merchant. What the fuck? For some reason the merchant is not being updated. So the user, creator, merchant should be there, but probably is not being saved on the database. My assumption is that we are not saving the user correctly. Save creator. Yeah, that's the problem. Creator, DBO, merchant. Yep, this is the issue. So organization DVO needs to have the merchant. I don't remember if core data has some migrations, but if it doesn't need any migration, we should be able to just add this and that's it. No, yeah, there is an XC model somewhere that needs to be updated. Yeah, I knew it. Organization DBO, unrecognized selector, NS exception. Yeah, there is a model XC data. Data model somewhere. But I don't remember where is that file. That's a very good question. Oh, here. So the organization needs to have a merchant, which is a string, and this should be nullable, but I don't know where to add the nullable. But that should be enough, I guess. Let's rerun it. This whole stack, I need to replace it. It's so fucking awful. Hi man, how are you? Okay, yeah, this works. So let's move to here. And still not recognizing it. So that probably means that we are not mapping the object in reverse. Yeah, fetch creator, that's correct. Merchant, creator db dot merchant. This should be automatic and it's not being automatic. This is still the same. Let's not rely on that. Let's find a way to make an external query to fix to fetch the merchant on every screen. Make an endpoint to query the single entity merchant of a given creator or organization. Also restrict the get to query all merchants. Fixed range of bounds. Nice! Make a PR, bro. How are you, Orik? Oh my God, there's a lot of people in here. Hi guys, how are you, everyone? We are still on the monetization part. Right now, I am fixing some merchant flows that are not working from the past implementation. I didn't know that they were broken, so yeah, I need to fix that. If I query a creator, will give me the merchant? That's a good question. Because if that's the case, instead of querying the merchant, I will query the creator. Monetization, art, creator, creators. Let's duplicate this one. Creator, detail. Oh nice, yeah, it works. So creator should have the merchant somewhere here. Identity, cover photos. Okay, the identity has the merchant. Oh yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so we have identity merchant. That works. So now, instead of doing this, let's say to the AI, okay, the merchant, organization settings, in the merchant settings group, get the merchant, I used to use the analogy, like the philosophy of every single screen should work independently and they should query their own data, and I forgot to do that on these couple of screens, and that's why it's not working. Because when you log in, I save the user in the database and I assume that that user will be persisted across the different screens. The problem is that when you reach the user settings, fetch and you want to see the latest merchant information, the creator is the creator that was saved in the login. But if I onboard the new account after I logged in, the user is not refreshed, and by then the creator object is not refreshed and we don't get the latest information. So every time that I enter to the settings screen, I should get the latest merchant info. What's up, Orik? How are you, boy? What's up today? Nice. Oh wow, it did finish. Let's see if it works. Fetch creator. Nice, it worked. They asked me what happened if I put a lazy column inside a lazy column. Oh, that's a good question. I don't remember. I don't know actually. Oh no, wait, I know. It will crash because there is a nested scrolling. If you put a horizontal scroll within a vertical scroll, it will work. But if you put two vertical scrolls, it will crash because there is a nested exception there. It's nested scrolling exception, something like that. What's up, guy? How are you, Dieguito? How was your interview? Do you think that you get the job or no? Do you think that you got the job or what? Yeah. That's a fucking attitude, my bro. You are the last pollito, bro. I trust in you. Nice. You redirect me to my account. Okay, so let's do this process again because I don't know if it's working correctly. So let's go to merchants, delete this merchant, remove it. Yeah, I'm sure. Let's recompile the app. I knew it because I had a problem in the project. Oh, nice. So you answered correctly. That's good. I fucked the interviewer, bro. Good to know. Wish you the best of luck, my friend. I really do. I really want you to succeed, my friend. Stripe setup screen is fucked up. Stripe setup. Stripe setup screen. Where is this being used? Merchant, views, setup. I think this is the one. select your country. Select your country, this configures setup connection view, vstack, link an existing, okay, it's this one. So here we need a TC screen with all this inside. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so now connect Stripe account, connect Stripe. Oh shit. Okay, it worked, but I forgot to change the background. Background, color ebony. The black guys fucking lasted longer than the interview. The black guy fucking lasted longer than the interview because of the fucking I gave to the interviewer. It only lasted 15 minutes before he said no more questions. Or the interview was too good or too bad. By the way, Twitch is telling me to ban you because you say black guy. And probably they will ban my stream, so let's avoid to see to say the N word and the BG words. Because literally I saw the message that Twitch was gonna ban you. Or ban me, I don't know. But if I get banned because of you, I will be the one fucking you, bro. Okay, so TC screen. Let's put this in here. Put this in here. Let's remove this screen configuration. And put the config. No, the header. DC leading, number leading, title, text. Okay, this should work. And for the other screen, which was the configure Stripe account, yeah, this one. Stripe setup. Stripe setup. Connection view. Okay, yeah, is this the one? Title, leading icon. So we should use a TC screen in here with a background, color dot ebony, header, TC centered view, title text. It will be either this one or this one, and then the icon will be this, and then we need to put the whole vstack inside. Nice. Now we don't need this. And we need to remove the TopCars view, and it's a regular view. Good. I think it's the second option. Literalmente tengo una pregunta con la que pudiera concharme. Va, todo se lo conté perfecta. Okay. Sounds legit to me, bro. Let's see. Hopefully you will have a job very soon. Hopefully. If not, it will be very bad, bro. It will be very sad because your competition is Juanaco, and Juanaco is so fucking bad, bro. I need grid access. Git push origin error grid access repository. Your branch is wrong. Use lowercase only. I gave you grid access. What are you talking about? Settings, collaboration and teams. Use your password. No, I didn't give you access. Okay, here you are. Right access. Go ahead, bro. Be happy. You already had access. I don't know why you cannot create a PR. Bro, that photo is so gay. Direct access, organization access, manage, repository grid, role assignments, assign role, users, go to your organization profile, people, Juanaco, 0 roles, change role, member. Oh, here is. I mean, you should be able to do it. Try. You are a member, it says here. I trust in Diego. I am the new boss of Juanaco, bro. Trust in me. I already trusted, bro. Back in the day. I don't know if I can do it again. You left me very hurt. Very hurt. What the fuck? Connect stripe. Connect stripe title. Header. Connect stripe account view. Background color ebony, but why is still another title on top? Oh, here is why. Title, show color. No, this is fine. What's the issue? There is double bars in here. Oh wait, I think I know. Maybe because I no longer need this one. Yeah. Okay, connect. Uh-oh. What's the problem now? Bad access? Why? That looks super sketchy, bro. This looks super sketchy. Okay, let's try. Do you feel that the number of tokens in Cloud Code has decreased? I don't fucking know, bro. I can code the whole day without ending my tokens. There are two possible answers to that. One explanation to that. One, I am not programming enough, or two, I am too good at prompting and I never run out of tokens. I don't know, but it hasn't happened to me. And well, to my advantage, I have the $100 cloud plan, not the basic one, so maybe that's why I have a lot of tokens, bro. I have a lot of tokens. Simple flows that hasn't been completed yet. I am exhausted of this shit. Okay, look at this. This previous screen is good. The second one is not good. Good. This is very, very good. Okay, let's run this shit. Still, I don't know why this thing is doing this. Fucking. This is not good, man. This is not good. We just need to do this, and then this, and then this. Creator request, creator model, data. To creator model. Now we can query that from here. That's it. Easier. I don't know why the AI is complicating things, man. What I've noticed is that Cloud Code is not following my fucking formatting rules, and I have to do that manually. but it was working, so I messed up something. Konako, that's a very good thing that you can do. Improve or fix the cloud.md file because it's not working. It's not following the linting instructions in the Airbnb.swift format file that is in the project. It's not doing it. So every time that I run a new session on Cloud and it makes some changes in the code base, it just starts messing with the indentation, the formatting. Okay, this works. Let's link this. Connect. Return will be redirected. Error occurred. That's not good. Merchants. But the merchant is here. Okay, the Stripe account ID. It says pending? What the fuck? Why? Oh, maybe because it was not working before? Oh yeah, I fucked up. Oh shit, this will create a new one. Oh man. Yeah, this created a new one. Let's delete this, go back. Create, connect, link an existing one. Connect. This thing worked now. What the fuck? Well, it worked, I guess. But once I dismiss the model, it's not showing, not fetching the merchant. Okay, so let's go to this again. Connect merchant. Why fetch merchant has an async? Oh shit. Fetch merchant, merchant ID. There's a lot of issues, man. A comma left in the settings file for Cloud. That's not the issue, man. But fix it, motherfucker, fix it. If it's the issue, fix it. Okay, now it's working. What the fuck? Unlink account. Let's unlink it. The operation could not be completed. So the unlink is not working. Oh, man. A lot of errors. Okay, the error says merchant view, blah 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 blah, delete. I cannot read anything here. Attribute error. Okay, let's see why. On link. Merchant delete. Let's use this merchant and see what happens. Yep, there is an error. The error says attribute error, object has no attributes yet. Okay. Let's see what happens. Danny, I think that I got a new job in an university. By the way, is in English. Yes. Can you give me an advice for update my LinkedIn? Why you need advice updating your LinkedIn if you already got the job? I don't understand. If you got the job, you don't need to update your LinkedIn. You update your LinkedIn when you are trying to get a job, not when you got the job. Because I want a better job, that's, you always say, thinking better things, no? Not in your case, bro. Your case is very particular because you never have a stable job. If you already landed a job, just keep your job and be better in your job, and then you can update later. So my recommendation is that put your university there and shine in there. I mean, I guess that you will be like a teacher? Like literally you will teach programming or something like that? Yeah, probably I would update my LinkedIn. I don't know. I don't see myself teaching in a university. But just put enough experience so other recruiters can see your profile. I am not telling you to lie, but if you can add a lot of experience in there, it would be nice. Yes, like basics, maths, and food, programming, and things like that. Maybe cameras or sound. What the fuck? What does cameras and sound have to be with math? Okay, let's try locally. See if we can debug this shit. Okay, here is the error. And the error is coming from here. Deauthorize. Invalid request error. Okay, this is a different one. Let's exempt this. Let's try again. So this was not the error. What's the error in production then? In staging. Ah, fuck me, bro. Let's see, staging. Attribute error. I don't want to see this thing. Okay, nice. Bound method merchant usage retrieve object instance. Okay, nice. String object has no attribute get. The question is in which line? Get code. Okay, error data. Stripe API error received. What the fuck? This is an error not from me. Not from me. API requester. This is an API error. Why I'm getting the error? Okay, yeah, but it was the same. It was in the deauthorize. It's fine. Let's publish these changes. Fixed stripe deauthorize error. Let's publish. How a computer understands an image and the arrays of color and lights, like how we convert an image and sound and numbers to work with a computer. Oh, okay, got it. Have Caitlin or is just YOLO? I think they do not know what is Caitlin. Oh my god. If they hire me, I'm gonna make what Murillo did. What? And if they give pizza when they try to stay longer, there is automation for deployments. They use Jenkins, but not for front end. Automatization with deploys. How does GitHub Action works? GitHub Action is pretty simple. You just create a script in your repo, and then that script will be automatically detected by GitHub Actions, and it will run whatever you put in the script. So it's pretty straightforward to set up. It's not difficult. Okay guys, let's deploy this shit. Wait until it deploys and then we can continue. When they are going to give you answers, Dieguito? Let me go for a snack. Oh wait, I didn't finish eating. Oh my god. If you don't mind, I'm gonna eat, bros. What the fuck? It didn't work. I mean, the API. The API works, but the deauthorizing is not happening. Yep, it's not happening. For some reason. But at least we know that this deauthorized method is not working. So I send the Stripe account ID and then we use that with the client ID to deauthorize. And this is not working. We need to know why. So let's run this. Directly. They take a long time. They probably give him answer next week. Next week? They asked me about flows, architecture, scopes, pop-up functions, and other things. But what is the job about? I don't even know. What are you doing in there, Juanaco? What's your job about? What the kind of company it is? I thought that you were in a university or something like that. Oh, a casino. Okay, I don't have more server. Free some space. The job is like an online casino. Oh, nice. And what happened with the university job? has a lot of games to bet, and they also cover the sports in general to bet too. And now we're gonna get a good profit with the World Cup that comes. Nice, and the there is no more memory left on the device, and it's not handling my session. Maybe we broke the server, boys. Nothing is working. Oh my god, man, I get so frustrated. I having a momentum, and this shit just decides to fuck up. I'm gonna have to enter directly through the console. I quit that job because they almost burned me trying to make an internal web page. They manage all the areas of the university in one fucking month. Oh shit. That's no good. Good, bro. Don't stay in toxic places. Wait, you returned to TopCars, so this is not a toxic place. Oh, love you. I am kind of toxic, but TopCars is good. Okay, this is working now. We can close this shit. We can open a new connection, and it should work now. Oh yeah, it works. It works, guys. Probably the backend side of the Stripe Python SDK needs to be updated. I am pretty sure that we are very outdated. Python library. 15.0. What the fuck? Oh shit, man. We are in the version 5 of Stripe, and the latest version is 15. What the fuck? Oh shit, man. Stripe, update Stripe package to the latest. No module named Stripe resources. Okay, that's the issue. We are very outdated. Stripe customer. Stripe error. Webhook, nice. And then Stripe error. Okay, I guess it should be working now. Let's see, because sometimes this shit is just... Okay, no, that's fine. It's just two places, merchant webhooks and web serializer. And Stripe account provider, probably. I know it's working good here. The authorize requires a app key and parameters. Client ID and Stripe user ID. Okay, that's good. line ID. An API key. Yeah, it should work now. Let's see. Requests, requirements. Why, if the requirements change it, this is not updated here? It ignore. Requirements is not here. What the fuck? What's happening with my repo, guys? Still not updating here. Nope, not updated here either. Let's just put the latest version, that's it. Stripe 15.0.1. Run the requirements. Okay, there is no issue here, no. Issue here, no. Let's see if that's the issue. I mean, I can hold the toxicity, but one thing is to try to burn your employee with impossible stuff, another is to joke to him because they made a mistake or they slow at work. Well, that's my thinking. Yeah, that's true. But I was not joking. You are slow. Or you were, I don't know. Maybe you are a new person, bro. I'm a better programmer. Or the AI does the work for you, so whatever, it works for me. So welcome back. It's hard to make products, guys. The AI is good for writing code, but it will never be good. Well, not never, but not now. Right now, it's not good at handling integrations. We have Stripe, and we need to integrate Stripe, and it can handle the code part of integrating Stripe, but it cannot go to the dashboard, set up the keys, making sure that all the keys are the correct ones implemented in the project. So it's really hard to actually deliver a full implementation of something because it's just good at code. Or you need to make a lot of integrations with MCP servers in order to do that. So it's not pretty straightforward to just do a prompt and write a task and let the AI work and deliver a complete result without knowing a lot of things in the background. So for some new person to just jump in and start vibe coding apps is not easy. I mean, it's easy to put an app, a simple app or a medium-sized app. But for configure the whole pipeline, backend, deployment, database, web server, and everything is not easy. it should work now. And it didn't work. Okay, this is not important. We don't want the people to unlink their account, so I will fix that later. So for now, we are going to directly delete the merchant in here and make sure that the link is working. I don't care about unlinking right now. So let's delete that. And then let's let the AI finish. Guys, I need you to come Tuesday to the stream. I need you to confirm your assistance because I have a very special guest in the stream on Thursday. So I need you to invite everyone you know Thursday stream. There will be a very, very, very special guest on Thursday. So you cannot miss it. You need to come here. Okay, it's supposed to be working. Let's compile the app and let's figure it out. Dieguito, are you using AI, bro? Do you want to do TopCars in Android? No supervision? Just with Claude and your own judgment? I don't care about Android at all. So if it goes bad, I don't fucking care, bro. You can do it however, wherever you want. The only result is that the app looks like iOS. That's it. I don't care if in the background everything is hard-coded, everything is like literally copy-paste. I don't fucking care. I just want the functionality to work and to look like iOS. Motherfuckers, speak, say something! Are you too busy, bro? Too busy to write 3 words? Should I restart the Discord usage? Yeah, Discord is more fun because we can speak about different things, and I can hear you practice your English. Who wants to go to Discord now? Now, now! One in the chat, and we open Discord again. One in the chat. One in the chat. No? No Discord? One in the chat. Okay, no Discord. Fuck you guys. Ow. Okay, it should work now. One. Do I have delay? I want to hear Jorgito speaking. Replay buffer. What is this? Replay buffer. Oh shit, I think I have. I have a delay. Okay. Maximum replay time. Maximum replay time. Okay, let's see. Yep, you have delay. Ah, motherfucker. X264, Internet in Advanced, Streamlabs, Stream Delay, Second Settings, Advanced. Stream Delay. No, oh my god. Okay, guys, I will close the stream and I will reopen again.